Guys, welcome back. Hello, it's Saturday evening and I'm seasoning up some pork for some delicious jerk pork. Of course I want this marinated overnight, so Saturday evening, so I'm getting ready to season this up first. Of course I gotta clean this up, so I'm rinsing these off, and of course we're gonna wash these again. I'm gonna add some lime in here to wash these with. This was an 8-pound pork shoulder. The bought in the store was already cut. Thank goodness I didn't have to ask them to cut it for me. I couldn't tell you how thick this is. Don't ask me. I'll show you. That's the thickness. I don't know what you say. Half inch? What do you think?
Half to 3/4.
Yeah, half to 3/4 inch thick. Maybe I can should have rolled these lemons a little bit more. I may need to switch that. So guys, we're gonna move over here and get ready to season these up, and I think this bowl might be enough, so let me get some. Okay guys, so even though I have my jerk marinade here, I love a lot of onions on my pork. So here in my mixer here, I mixed up additional piece of ginger with 1 onion. And I'm going to add to the pre-bought jerk marinade. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce. My Guinness stout. Some black pepper. No, I'm sorry, this is not black pepper, this is organic sage leaf. Some additional dry thyme. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Allspice. Now is the actual black pepper. and allspice. Now let's mix this all up together. I'm gonna add a little salt. I said I wasn't going to, but I changed my mind at the last minute. Just a little bit of salt. Okay. Seems like I can pour some water off of this. Guys, I'm just gonna seal this up and put it in the refrigerator for tomorrow. Remember, when it's time to cook it, you have to take it out of the refrigerator and let it get to room temperature first. Okay, welcome back, guys. It's time to cook this pork. It's Sunday. My oven is preheated to 375. I'm gonna layer this pork in this pan. Smells so good, soaking in the seasoning overnight. I'm going to wrap this in foil paper and put this in the oven. It's 375 for 1.5 hours, and come back, and then we're going to baste it in the good juice it's going to be in. See you back in an hour and a half. Okay guys, this is what we have after an hour and a half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to baste this for a bit with a lot of this juice in there. I'm also going to have to remove some of the juices so I don't have any accident in this oven, because it's obviously more than the pan can take. Luckily the hour and a half was enough. I didn't have any accidents in the oven. So I'm going to baste the pork with a lot of the juices in here, and then I'm going to remove some of the juices from the pan before we put it back in there. I'll come back and show you before I put it back in the oven. So even though I bought all that pork, I wasn't prepared to cook all of it in one cooking. It was supposed to be twice. But then I had a call, and when someone asked what I was cooking and I told them, they assured me that they were coming for theirs, so I ended up having to cook both. That's why I didn't have a larger pan. So now I end up, just to save myself from having a disaster, I separated into two different pans. So this is what I did. So now that I did that, I'm gonna put this back in the oven, uncovered, still 375 for 45 minutes. So I will see you back in 45 minutes. Okay guys, so I said 45 minutes, so it's been 20 minutes, and I'm just gonna see, I'm getting a nice golden color on them. It's been 20 minutes, and I just want to flip them over. It's just coming apart. Trying to splash, I mean, we can't have that, see? The other one, this one have more juice than the other one. I was saving some of the juice. I'm gonna make a sauce. Okay, now to make my sauce, I have the juice from the pork. I'm gonna turn this up. I have some onion here that I diced. Add this in here. Bring this to a boil. When this boils, I'm just gonna add some more of the Guinness that I used to season the pork last night. I'm gonna add some tomato ketchup. I should have bought Jamaican Grace ketchup. And I'm gonna add a little honey to it, and I'll come back once this is boiling, and I'll show you how to finish this off. So I'll see you back in a bit. Okay guys, so this is my jerk pork. I've cut it up. I want to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy. From my kitchen to yours, my family to yours, God bless you. And I just want to encourage you that no matter what it looks like out there, you cannot give up. Just continue to have faith, trust in God, knowing that He has you and your family. Just keep praying and knowing it's all going to work out. Love you guys. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Stay blessed. Again. So here's the sauce I did make. I just cooked it down a bit. This is what the finished product looked like. Again, I just used some of the sauce from the pork itself. Added some more of the Guinness, the Jamaican ketchup, and some honey. And I rendered it down. And I'm gonna add this to the pork. It tastes so good. As I was cutting it up, because it was falling apart so much, I couldn't help myself. I was munching on it. Yes, I was. It tastes so good. Okay. Just add a little green onions for decoration, and I have a Scotch bonnet pepper. Ooh, just went up my nose. Ooh. And probably my eyes. I gotta go wash my hands. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye. I'm gonna need you to please taste it and tell me what you think. I'm about to hot. I want to sleep. My feet mash up.